I love simple and easy breakfast recipes that you can whip up in a matter of 10 minutes. So today I'll be showing you how to make the simplest French toast recipe that you're going to absolutely love, because it's going to turn out sweet, perfect, and very delicious. So grab yourself the ingredients listed in the description box and let's make this delicious French toast. In a bowl, you're going to add in your eggs, sugar, milk, cinnamon powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And using a whisk, you're going to whisk in all the ingredients until fully combined. Adding in cinnamon powder to the French toast is going to add in a very nice flavor and taste to the French toast. Also, the vanilla essence is going to add in a very nice aroma to the French toast. Once all the ingredients are fully combined, you're going to preheat a pan over medium-low flame. This smells so awesome. And then you're going to lightly spread some cooking oil on the pan. I'm using a non-stick pan for this recipe. You can also use a cast iron pan. Then next, you're going to pick your bread and dunk into the egg mixture lightly. Shake off the excess and then transfer to your pan. Cook the French toast for around 30 seconds to 1 minute over medium-low flame, and then you're going to flip the toast so that it can cook on the other side. The kitchen is going to be smelling so awesome because of the cinnamon powder and vanilla essence, and the kids are going to be super excited. That is if you're making the French toast for the kids. After about a minute, you're going to flip your bread so that it can cook on the other side. So I'm going to wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once your French toast is ready, you're going to transfer to a plate, and then you're going to place in the next piece of bread. So I'm going to lightly grease my pan once more. And then I'm going to lightly dunk my bread into the egg mixture, shaking off the excess and placing on my pan. That is on my hot pan. And for this recipe also, you can use a day-old bread or stale bread. That is bread that is very dry, because it will soak in all the goodness and you'll have some awesome French toast. Keep watch over your French toast as it cooks, because you want that lovely golden brown color. Mine is looking perfect, so I'm going to cook for another 30 seconds. Check if my bread is browning on the other side. And then I'm going to transfer to a plate. For this recipe, you can use 8 to 10 slices of bread, because I'm using 2 eggs and a third cup of milk. Flip your bread once you notice that it's perfectly golden brown on the other side. Then you're going to let the French toast or the toast cook. If you have some remaining egg mixture, you can keep it in the fridge and then you can reuse later by making more French toast. The best part about this recipe is that the kitchen is going to be smelling so awesome. Trust me, it's so good. The aroma is so good. Check on your toast by flipping, and once you notice that lovely golden brown color, your French toast is ready. Transfer to the rest Put on the flames, and it has taken me around 5 to 6 minutes to prepare my French toast. And these are 5 slices of bread, so you can make even more French toast, and they are going to turn out amazing. You can serve French toast over breakfast or brunch, and everyone is going to enjoy each and every bite. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this simple breakfast recipe.